Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about something very important, something which is known as Early Admit Program of IIT Gandhinagar. So due to this program, with this program you can do MSc from IIT without giving IIT JAM. Yes, you heard it right. You can do MSc from IIT Gandhinagar without giving, even you don't have to give IIT JAM, without giving IIT JAM. But obviously there will be some conditions because not everybody can do like this only. So, and the best part is you will also be getting 5,000 rupees per month stipend. You will also be getting 5,000 rupees per month stipend. So please stay tuned till the end of the video to know about this program. So let's get started. This is the Early Admit MSc program 2022 and 23 for admission in MSc in IIT Gandhinagar without IIT JAM. Okay, so the application deadline is January 14th January 2022 is the application deadline for this. And so let's get to the details first. What is the eligibility criteria? Let's look on the eligibility criteria once. BSc students from the colleges who will graduate in 2022 or who have graduated in 2021 and are among the top 5 rank holders for general EWS and OBC category or top 10 rank holder for SC/ST category in the departments at the end of their pre-final year and final year are eligible to apply. That means, first of all, this is also applicable for the top universities, central universities, top state universities, and with that you have to be in either of top 5 or of top 10 according to the category. For general EWS and OBC, you have to be in top 5 of your college. You should have a rank of department rank or college rank or university rank of top 5 in your respective department, college or university. And you cannot just say like this because it will be officially proven. You have to upload the document, supporting document for your rank, which you will be getting signed by your HOD or your principal or so on. So you cannot just lie, obviously. You will have to give official proof for that. Okay. Secondly, the best part is here BTech students can also apply from NIT or IIT. They can also apply for MSc. BTech students from NITs and select colleges who will graduate in 2022 or have graduated in 2021 are also eligible to apply. I guess most of the audience of my channel is for BSc, so let's leave BTech. Now, what are the program highlights? Students admitted through this program will be given a monthly scholarship of 5,000 rupees. Okay, next point is JAM score is not mandatory, not required at all. You don't even have to give the JAM exam. Now, fellowship support of rupees 60,000 is available for presenting their research work at international conferences. If you are so much interested in research and if you want to represent something, some of your college at your at some international level, you will also be given 60,000 rupees in addition to the monthly stipend of 5,000 rupees. Okay. So for this year, the disciplines which are actually involved in this are physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Okay. The official website is this. I'm so sorry, I'm not well, so that's why my voice is like that only. Okay, for more information, the official website is this only. I will be giving you this in the description box. Don't worry for that. And now see the important dates. Important dates are 15 December 2021. It opens. It has been opened. Last date is 14th January 2022. You have to submit your application form. 25 January 2022, students will get shortlisted. Then you will be having interview from 1st to 6th of February. Dates are tentative, but you will be having one interview, obviously. First of all, you will have to be in your top 5 of your or top 10 of your college, depending upon your category. in your college department or university, then you will be applying here, you will be getting shortlisted, you will be giving one interview, then your result will come on 25 February 2022. The best part is you don't have to give jam, you will be getting monthly stipend, and jam result will come out approximately by 3rd week of March, but you will be getting your result here on 25 February, that is before jam result. And the program for MSc, course for MSc, syllabus for MSc will be same as that of jam. The students who will come through jam will study the same syllabus as you will study, but the difference is you will get admitted earlier. That is why it is known as early admit program. Okay, I hope you must have understood. For IIT Gandhinagar, you have to secure around 300 rank. I will be telling you like that, but if I'm not wrong, around 300 rank you need to secure in IIT JAM. So that is the plus point. You can secure your seat here in IIT if you are afraid of that whether you will be able to qualify JAM or not due to some situations you were not able to study, and if you are having a good department rank, good university rank like I had in my case, so you can opt for this case. Okay, so that's all for the video. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned with the channel, stay subscribed to the channel, and we will see you in the later video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.